how to turn on or off contact functions on your Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off people you may know functions on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your application. Once you are there, you're gonna find your profile up there, click on it. And here, click on settings and you're gonna find functions, which is the second option top there. Here you have your functions, voice club, friends of friends, explore, no story, and now you have the last option, which is contacts, people you may know. You can turn off or on this option. If you turn off this option when closed, you will not be recommended to others, not will others be recommended to you. Choose whatever you want, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.